All right. So in this case, my understanding that he was going to appear in county court, take care of that.
He did, Your Honor. We appeared yesterday and the DWI is taken care of.
All right. So with that being said, are you all ready to pick 023, State of Texas versus Israel Mankata? Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris,
Defense?
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Israel Mankata?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Israel Mankata who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 6023 on January 10th, 2022 for a term of 2 years and extended for a term of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Here we go. Israel Matter is back in court, already on probation, now facing a DWI violation. This is where things get messy, because a single true plea could send him straight to prison for up to 10 years. Let's break it down.
Judge, can I just have one moment?
Yes.
No. Judge, the new number one is the DWI. It's set for hearing on the 5th of August. We would like to think that it would be a benefit to the court that let's have that done before proceeding on the motion to revoke.
All right. So off the record, here's the only issue. So an officer is here to testify. Probation is here to testify.
I understand that.
So
And I am confused because I thought we were trying to get the DWI done first. I didn't realize we were set on a motion to be heard today. I was as surprised that the officer was here as.
Can I have one moment to speak?
Yes.
Yeah, the state's asking what is our position on the DWI. Intends to plead on that case, Your Honor.
all right.
And so, Judge, I mean, my only thing is that if we can get a plea, true or not true today, and then reset for sentencing after he is actually.
We could do that.
All right.
Yeah, we could do that.
All right. And so standing in for the state.
This is Jason Garahan, sorry, Judge.
All right. Yes, we're on the record. So in for the state is Jason Garahan.
Yes, sir.
All right. And with regards to the violations, state, you may proceed.
Violating condition number 1 on or about the 25th day of April 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Israel Chada, committed the offense of DWI in violation.
Notice how both sides agree to delay sentencing? That's a classic move. Deal with the DWI first, then circle back to the probation violation. It's strategy. Avoid double punishment before all cards are on the table.
Condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
I will waive their newly violated conditions.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. And when is the DWI set?
Set on the 5th of August, Your Honor.
All right. Do you want to set this the same day?
We could.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, what day of the week is August? All right, we'll set it for August 5th. And Norma, I'll note on the docket sheet that he's to go to county court first. So you won't come here first, you'll go to county court first. You understand?
Yeah.
And then after we're done,
All right.
yeah.
Thank you.
Judge, we can show that to her at the time of sentencing.
Okay.
He's been going to his meetings.
All right,
as
make sure you
indicated.
continue to do that, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Calling 2021 CR 6023, State of Texas versus Israel Mankata. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
George Schaefer for probation or defendant.
All right, and are you Mr. Mankata?
Quick question for you guys. Should defendants who violate probation with a new DWI get another chance? Or is this where the system needs to come down hard? Drop your thoughts below.
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Israel Mankata who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 6023 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on January 10th, 2022 for a period of 2 years and extended for a period of 1 year. Is that you?
Yeah.
State?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe that it's true on number one.
I think that's correct, Your Honor. He's pled true to
He
that,
did.
and all we're doing is disposition.
All right. You're right. He pled true July 25th, 2024 to violation of condition number 1. And since then, we've been waiting for the case to be resolved in county court. All right. So what was the resolution to county court?
Judge, I can speak to that.
Yes.
We were in the county court number 2 yesterday. The defendant entered a plea. He was sentenced to a term, and the judgment is satisfied.
All right. And just one moment. Sure. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No,
All right. So I'm assuming both parties are asking that he be continued?
Your Honor, the state is asking that the defendant be continued, that he go to SATIF. And what we have done is this defendant has been attending some AA meetings, correct?
Yes, I have 4 signatures.
I'm sorry, how many signatures?
4?
So you've attended 4 meetings
Yes.
since July,
Yes.
right? So what I can tell both parties, and I appreciate the fact that you realize that you have an issue, but from reviewing the court summary, you tested positive for cocaine before, and this wasn't your first DWI according to the...
Boom! There it is. Not just alcohol, but cocaine use too. This isn't just bad luck. It's a pattern. And when you're on probation for evading arrest, that's like throwing gasoline on the fire.
the court summary.
Judge, I believe it's the only one that he's been carried forward to
Okay.
conviction.
All right, well, I'll disregard that last DWI then and just focus on the DWI that you pled true to. So I have that, and I have you testing positive for cocaine. This is what I'm going to do. You're going to go into custody today. I'm going to refer you to felony drug court. Counsel, if you will reach out to felony drug court.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but my wife works overnight, and I'm the only one that can watch my son.
All right, does she have a grandmother?
No, she does not.
Oh, is your mom here?
No, she's not. She has a MOGAD. It's a autoimmune disease,
Okay.
and she could only barely see out of one eye. So
All right, so here's the issue. You shouldn't be caring for a child when you have this cocaine issue going on in the DWI. Now, this is what I'm telling you, and I want you to internalize what I'm saying. I'm trying to give you help so that you can be successful on this probation, because this is an evading arrest detention with a vehicle. You're looking at potentially 10 years in the prison. And while you're on probation in this court, you picked up a DWI. And I realized DWI, the drug use, that's related to addictions. So I'm trying to help you solve that, because otherwise you could potentially go to prison for 10 years. And then when you get out, who knows when you get out? But when you get out, your child won't remember you. So I'm going to deny the motion, alternate main conditions. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. And counsel, if you reach out to felony drug court, they'll probably be able to see him. Maybe they'll be able to still see him this week. Probably not, but definitely next week. And if you reach out to them and tell them he's very interested in the program and would like to be in the program, I know they have a graduation upcoming, so they'll probably have placement for him. All right, so we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. That's first.
That hit hard. The judge isn't just throwing legal jargon, he's painting a picture, 10 years gone, a child growing up without their father. That's the real cost of addiction colliding with the justice system.
If he's not accepted into felony drug court, then we're going to do SATA. And I'm gonna, also add 120 sober meetings in 120 days. And he's to remain in custody until transfer to felony drug court or SATIC. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need for me to be successful?
Is there a way I could get like a reset until I have a bed?
So you have what?
Until I get a bed?
I'm sorry, what did he say?
A bed, Your Honor. He's looking to see if he could report once there's a bed available.
No.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I know this is what you were anticipating, but you have to look at the big picture. And the big picture is your attorney did great work for you because you could be going to prison.
And here's the twist. This isn't a punishment, it's an intervention. Instead of locking him up, the judge pushes him into felony drug court and 120 recovery meetings. A lifeline, not a hammer. But will it work? That's the big question.
Right? And you're not. What you're doing is you're going to get treatment so that you can be a better parent to your child. And I'm sorry if there's no one other than your wife to watch your child. I hope she doesn't lose her job.
I
But
was the head of household as well. So all these bills are gonna pile up.
yeah, but if your attorney is able to get in touch with felony drug court, if you have no objections, I'll send them an email as well to see maybe if they can put him on the list to talk to him today.
I would appreciate the court doing that.
All right, let me send an email to see if they're available to do that.
What the fuck is this song? Play this one again.
All right, if he'll just have a seat in the box and if you'll remain, I'll see if they can send somebody over.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Just
Who's here on Yvette Martinez? And Deputy Laura, I'm gonna see if somebody can come over to see him today.
Is he going into custody?
No, he's in custody.